Hey, so I just released a new sticker. Asia just put it in the shop, and it is absolutely a car sticker. How can you tell? If you look at how the holographic is all dotty, that means it's a car sticker. For these ones, I use a different kind of paper. I use this paper. It's called Cricut Printable Waterproof Sticker Set. The reason why I picked this one is because it states right here, create custom stickers for water bottles, car bumpers, and outdoor labeling. It's different from the typical Cricut vinyl sticker paper because this already comes with its own laminate and the paper feels a little flimsier. Check out this laminate. Okay, I guess you can't really see it. You wanna know why you couldn't see it? I was showing the wrong side. Wow. Let's get to sticker making. You know, just for the sake of being ahead of myself, I'm gonna go ahead and make the Majima ones too. Upside down Cricut. Take this little tray out. Sometimes I have a hard time remembering how big stickers are, so just write it down. Car stickers, 3.5 max. Okay, set it to 3.5 max. Push enter. There we go. I can only fit 4 to be on one page. I think the max is past 9 something. Let's add the bleed. Look how huge those stickers are. Okay, let me look at this really quick. Okay, it's looking a little wet, so I'm gonna need to dry it. They're looking a lot less shiny. I think it's safe to put the laminate on. If you put laminate on it, I think it might smudge. I think I had one accidentally smudge on me. It was not okay. I want to flatten stuff first, so I just go ahead and take the matte plastic and run it right across. I usually double check the plastic to make sure that the ink didn't get on it. We're good. Okay, it's laminate time. What I really like about this laminate in particular, there's a pre-cut, so it's much easier to apply it than the other way I make holographic stickers. I always cover my spatula with a microfiber cleaning cloth because if I just use plastic straight out, it scratches my stuff. Solid. Adding bleed really helps the cut to look a lot more accurate. If there's anything that would drive me so crazy is if this cuts and I see a little bit of white left over from the cut. Oh yeah. And I'm really just gonna repeat the same process with the Majima sticker. That does it for this vlog. See you next time. Hey. It's called Printable Waterproof Sticker Set. You wanna know why you couldn't see it?